Hey, if you wanna connect Bluetooth device on your Nokia 6.2, for the first you have to open notification bar and click and hold the Bluetooth icon. Click on the pair new device, and we have to wait until our smartphone find other devices to connect. But as you can see, there is no available devices with a Bluetooth turned on. So if you just want to turn on, for example, your wristband like Mi Band 4, and you turn on Bluetooth on this, your Nokia will find it. But of course I can give you a little example, so I'm gonna use the Bluetooth on my phone, on Huawei P30 Pro, and when we go again here, there will be, as you can see, there will be available devices like Huawei, so we have to click on it. The pairing is on the way, so pair again, and yeah, now we are connected to the Huawei P30 Pro with Nokia 6.2. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and comments below.